Okay, so I thought to demonstrate today about the site view using one of your designs, I'd best do it on a block of land. So once we open up the Enviz application, you'll notice that the conversion's been completed with thumbnails and all sorts of other bits and pieces. So you've got the three-dimensional models spinning around, obviously seeing the perspective from that side of things, looking to the actual floor plan, pulling through, which I showed you before. But the idea is you've also got the imagery, site elevations, floor plans and things like that. But what I really want to show you is the power of actually using it on what we call site view. So right now we'll load the tour up, go into it from here on my iPad. But what I can do is from here is basically click on what is called site view. So you'll see now I'm actually standing in front of a very big large block of land that's for sale. And what I can do is I can usually lose the LiDAR from the tablet or the smart device so you can see how the dots are coming up. And now I can tap the screen, and as you can see, I can now place it on site. So now I can move it where I want it to go, and then from here I can lock it into position. So what I'm going to do is lock in position, and I'm actually going to walk down the street, and you can see now your design is literally on this block of land. So I can walk around it, as you can see, staying in position of course, walk all the way around. Looking up, looking down. Of course I can come in closer if I want. I can see through the windows, go right through the back. There we go, positioned it right on the block. You can see the street from here, how the house sits in situ. Oh, there you go, look at that. Little back door's open. I might just go through the back door. So we'll go through the back door. See the floor plan's still on the ground, so that's where the patio is. And still staying in position, locked in position. And I can go from this side if I want to as well. Let's go inside. So I'm now going to look at the floor, but I'm going to walk in. Walk inside, seeing where I am exactly in situ, looking at the floor plans on the ground, the kitchen, how it's positioned. But this is the really cool part. If I want to go back out through the front door or look through some of the main entries that have windows that are occluded, I can now go through these windows and see what it looks like through the window. So I'm going to go back through here. I'm going to go into this room here, which is your front room or master bedroom, and you can now see out the window. So I'm looking through the window, what it look like from the street, looking around, go through the bathroom, look through that window too. Might just go up to it and have a look. And go through the bathroom, of course, if I wanted to. Turn around, walk back out. Go back through the door, again one-to-one, looking at floor plan on the ground, looking through the back door, through the windows, turning back around, walking back through the front door, all one-to-one. Turn around, of course, and there you are, back at the front of the house, looking at exactly what it looks like from the street. And there you go, so that's site view, very exciting. Walk backwards a bit down the street. What do you reckon? What's it look like seeing from here? And the cool thing is, if I don't like the position, I can unlock and I can then move it where I want to go. So I might move it further down this way towards the fence line there. Or I might want to move it this way. So there you go. Just thought I'd get you guys excited at the possibilities of site view using the application in all your customers' designs or even your own. Hope that got you excited.